Hi everyone, welcome to Yum Curry and I'm Pragya. Today we are making club sandwich, which is a very famous breakfast sandwich and it's so easy to make. So let's get started. Firstly, for the stuffing, in a bowl add cabbage, capsicum and shredded carrots. To that add 4 tablespoons mayonnaise. You can add little more if you want. Now mix it really well. Add salt and pepper and mix it again. Now take 2 white breads. You can also use multigrain bread here. Cut off the sides. Grill them until they become brown. Now take it out. Apply the tomato ketchup all over the bread. Add the prepared stuffing. Spread it evenly. Now add cucumber slices, onion slices. Place another bread on top. Add the filling. Add tomatoes, and shredded cabbage. Now take another bread slice, apply tomato ketchup and mayonnaise to it. Spread it evenly. Now place it to make the sandwich. Insert the toothpicks in the corner to retain the shape of the sandwich. Now cut it in half. And your delicious club sandwich is ready. Trust me, this club sandwich is so easy to make. Please try this recipe at home and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye!